Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Adiatu here, Naturallyads on YouTube. So in today's video I am planning for the week beginning February 28th to March the 6th. In my memory planner using this kit from AppleBlossomPrintsCo called Breakfast Club, I believe, and paired it with this foil from Caress Press. I think that's about it for the base. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave and turn on the bell to be notified every single time I upload. So I'm going to carry on with the questions that I've been doing while you guys watch me do the base. So the next question is, what is my favorite drink? I don't drink alcohol, but my favorite drink is apple juice. It's kind of like one of my favorite things to drink. Apple juice, appetizer, which is basically sparkly apple juice, and I have become a bit of a fan of Red Bulls, so I would say those are my favorite drinks that I'll finish them in like one gulp. That was a quick question. Next one, favorite animal. My favorite animal is a giraffe because they're tall and beautiful and I love them, and I am tall. I like have not a long leg, but I like to think I have a long leg, so I always love giraffes because of that. So giraffes are my favorite animals. My favorite perfume, I forgot what it was called. I used to have one, but I don't really have one right now, but it was the Britney Spears, I don't remember the name of it, but it was a Britney Spears perfume. I really love the smell of it. It has a really nice fruity smell. Is it fantasy? I don't know, but the Britney Spears perfume was my favorite perfume like as a teen, and I still like it now, but I don't remember the name. But anything with a fruity smell is fine by me. What would you or have you named your children? I'm not going to say what I would name my future children because they do not exist yet, so I don't know. I just don't want to jinx that. But my son, as you would have heard in the last couple of videos, and his name is all over my planner now, his name is Abdulmalik, which Malik means king in Arabic, and Abdul means like servant, and it's like servant to the king, as in a servant to God. So that is my son's name, and my other kids' names, by the grace of God, if I have any more kids, you'll know as they come. But anyways, I think I can fit in one more. What sports do you play or have you played? I do not play any sports because I am lazy. Even though everyone would say I have like the physique of athlete, I'm tall and stuff and a bit slim, I just am terrible at sports. Sports are not for me. But when I was in primary school, I did play cricket for a while, and I did do a bit of athletics, but that was because of peer pressure. Like the teachers were saying, oh, you must be good at sports because you're so tall. But I personally do not enjoy sports. Who are some of your favorite fashion brands? I would not call myself fashionable at all, but like my online fashion brands that I like to shop from. I like to shop at ASOS, H&M, and although it's naughty, I kind of like shopping at Shein. But anyways, let's get started with the day by day. So in the sidebar, I marked that this was my second week of maternity leave. The maternity leave sticker is from Bella Planella, and then I also noted that it was a rough night. The rough night sticker is from Stick with Plango. The week 2 sticker is from PMD Stickers. So starting with Monday, I marked being tired with a pillow from Paper Candy Art and a tired AF sticker from Planner Hannah. I then marked my husband having a phone interview with a phone icon from the foil bundle. I noted having some more tummy pains. Although this was a pregnant person, I still used it because it was still pregnancy related. I used Kisma from Glam Planner. I then noted go for another appointment for my baby with this baby appointment sticker from PMD Stickers and an appointment script from the foil bundle. Into the extender, I noted pumping some milk with this pumping sticker from Papershire. I then noted having to renew my car permit with this car sticker from SBC. I noted doing some budgeting, thinking about how like my maternity pay will change my budget with this wallet sticker from Paper Candy Art and a budget script from Pimp Loves Crafts. I then used a planner icon from the foil bundle and a binge watch script from Sugar Box Stickers to note a plan with me binge. So bottom of the day, I noted getting creams with this sticker from the Honeybee shop. I think it's like a milkshake or just a hot summer drink. I then noted being in my feelings with Ryan sticker from Olive Studio, and I feel like SHIT sticker from Plan Hannah. I noted having no sleep because of the baby with this crying baby sticker from Beneva's Creation, and a no sleep custom script from the PlanWithAds. On to Tuesday, I marked being super tired, of course, with a sleeping girl from Rocks and Cactus and a tired AF script from Sugarbox Stickers. I then noted being like a bit moody with a girl from Joy Planning and a script from Goldman and Coco. I noted doing a Tesco delivery order with this sticker from Kylie Plans and a grocery script from the Foyer Bundle. Sorry if you can hear my mum downstairs. I then used a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers to note more Plan With Me binges. I noted that it was pancake day this day with stack of pancake sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio. I then noted making pancakes with a vanilla from Papershare making pancakes. I noted having a bit of a lazy day with this couch sticker from Carly Plans and a lazy time script from SBC. And finally, I noted no sleep for me and Malik again with this sticker from PlanWithAds and a no sleep custom script from the PlanWithAds. I don't know why I can't talk. On to Tuesday, another extender. At the top of the extender, I noted being super tired and having no sleep. I think we didn't sleep all night this day with this insomnia girl from Whimsical Cat Studio and a no sleep script from the PlanWithAds. I noted sleeping in, I think my mum took the baby or something, with this pajama girl from Fox and Cactus and a sleep in script from SBC. I used a planner from Olive Studio and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers to note more Plan With Me binges. I noted cooking, probably breakfast or something, with this egg sticker from, what's it called? SBC. Oh my goodness, is this the SBC one? Yes. And a cook script from Temp Loves Crafts, I think. Yeah. I then used this budget book sticker from Papershire to note doing some more budgeting. I noted organising my baby's clothes with this Stick With A Planco girl folding baby clothes and an organised script from Planner Hannah. I then noted getting some takeout with a burger icon from a paper candy art kit. I then noted being super tired and like sleep deprived with this sleepy girl from Fox and Cactus and another no sleep script from the PlanWithAds. No wonder I don't have any more of them. I used them up a lot in the first weeks of my baby being in my life. I then noted a midwife appointment. I think the midwife actually came to the house. Yeah, because I marked it so late in the day, so the midwife actually came into the house. So it was the health visitor with this nurse sticker from Teddy PlanWithAds and a midwife appointment custom script from the PlanWithAds. I then noted having some visitors with this vanilla with love hearts from Papershire. On to Wednesday, I marked waking up early with an alarm clock from the Foyer Bundle and an up early script from Plan Hannah. I then noted my husband going out. I think he went to work or something, to do something at work, with this PMD sticker boy character. I used a paper clip from the Foyer Bundle to note that I cancelled my appointment that I had because I didn't want to leave the baby and I didn't want to go with the baby by myself, so I cancelled the appointment, which they never rescheduled, but it was fine. I then noted that the baby ended up, his grandma came over, my husband's mum, to look after him because I was originally supposed to leave him, but then I didn't, but he was with her anyways. Well, I got some sleep, I think. I used the custom with Grandma F script from Tilly Journals. Yeah, I did. Instead of sleeping like a normal person, I used this opportunity to clean. So I noted tidying up with the box sticker from the Foyer Bundle and a tidy up script from SBC. I think I was like tidying up our clothes and stuff and organising the room because we didn't have time to do so before the baby came. then taking a nap with my baby with this Beneath Creation girl and baby sleeping, and a nap script from Sugarbox Stickers, and a With Mallet custom script from Naturallyads Designs. I then noted missing my husband with this PMD sticker, like Polaroid picture, to note that I was missing him. He wasn't back yet. I then noted having some family time with my baby and my husband with this family sticker from PlanWithAds and a family time script from PlanWithAds. I noted doing lots of pumping with this pump sticker from Papershire. I noted another Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Olive Studio and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers. And then I noted binge watching Bel Air with my husband with this couple watching TV sticker from, what's it called? Make Plans. On to Friday, I noted that March the 4th was my due date, so I used the due date sticker from, I think, a Papershire baby sheet. I then noted having some family cuddles with this custom family sticker from PlanWithAds and a custom family cuddle sesh script from McPlans. I noted that Malik had a good sleep this night with a Papershire baby sleeping sticker. I then noted another Plan With Me binge with an Olive Studio planner sticker and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers. I noted having a bit of a lazy morning with a couch sticker from Carly Plans and a lazy time script from SBC. I noted making some breakfast with a egg pan sticker from, I think it's Carly Plans, and a breakfast script also from Carly Plans. I noted binge watching Snowfall with my husband with another McPlans couple sticker. I noted some mummy cuddles with this Pink Diamond PlanWithAds girl and a mummy cuddles custom script from Naturallyads Designs. Fun fact, I did actually order mummy cuddles with a U, but seeing as though she's American, she probably just distinctly wrote mummy instead of mummy, which at first I was a bit upset, but then I was like, it's not that deep. So here we have mummy. Then I used this couple sticker from What's More Love to note more visits from like family and friends. I think I just wanted to use this to mark that. On to Saturday, there is another extender. Oh, this is a long day. At the top of Saturday, I noted waking up early with this Secret of PlanWithAds squidge character with an alarm clock and an up early script from Planner Hannah. I then noted that my baby was super hungry and eating a lot with this bottle sticker from Sweet Quiet Designs. I noted that I was feeling a bit backed up with this poop sticker from What's With Love, which I was told was normal in postpartum because I was given like laxatives and stuff at the hospital, which I was like, I'm not gonna need that, but turns out I did. I then know it was my first time driving after I'd given birth, so I only waited 2 weeks, but I felt fine with this Teddy PlanWithAds girl driving. I then noted a midwife appointment with this baby doctor's appointment sticker from PMD Stickers and a midwife appointment custom script from PlanWithAds. I noted that he was growing well with this glam planner sticker of the baby next to like a ruler. I noted that he was officially discharged from the midwife center with this teddy bear from Sweet Quiet Design. I used an Abdul custom script from Plans to note that he was discharged. I noted going on a Starbucks run because Starbucks is right next to the midwife center with this takeaway cup sticker from the foyer bundle and a Starbucks run script from SBC. And it gets some petrol with this petrol sticker from, what's it called, Paper Candy Art. I noted having to do loads of nappy changes this day with the nappy sticker from Sweet Quiet Design. I noted another Plan With Me binge with a planner sticker from Paper Candy Art and a binge watch script from Sugarbox Stickers. I then noted organising my stickers with the sticker sheet stickers. I think this one is from PlanWithAds and an organised sticker script from Make Plans. I then noted my husband setting up his PS5 in my mum's house with this PlayStation like gaming sticker from Carly Plans. I noted doing some fun planning with the Stick with the PlanWithAds Girl Planning and a fun plan custom script from Naturallyads Designs. And then lastly, I noted binge watching mood with a TV icon from the Foil bundle. On to Sunday, another extender. At the top of Sunday, I marked that Malik was 2 weeks old. I used this baby sticker from Glam Planner, and I used a custom Malik is script from Naturallyads Designs, and I just wrote 2 weeks underneath. Then marked waking up early with an alarm clock sticker from Stick with the PlanWithAds and an up early script from Plan Hannah. I then noted having to get myself and the baby ready and being super tired with this squid sticker from Stick with the PlanWithAds. I noted having to wait 2 hours at the clinic that we went to with this nurse sticker from PMD Stickers. And then I noted with the baby crying that he got circumcised, that crying baby stickers from What's With Love. I noted giving him all the snuggles with a Teddy PlanWithAds sticker of a mum cuddling a baby and Mummy Snuggles custom script from Carly Plans. Then noted his dad giving him snuggles too with his PMD stickers, dad with the baby sticker and a custom daddy snuggles script from Carly Plans. Then noted a plan with me binge with a planner sticker from Stick with a PlanWithAds and a binge watch script from Sugar Box Stickers. I noted my husband playing games with a controller from Carly Plans and a video game script from Tilly Journals. Then noted that Malik wasn't feeling very well, which we expect with just being circumcised, with this sick baby sticker from Glam Planner. I then noted him having all the big blowouts with this wipe sticker from the Crafty Planner. I noted binge watching some TV with my husband with this couple sticker from Whimsical Cat Studio. I used a TV binge custom script from Mick Plans and a With My Love script from Carly Plans. Then I noted sleeping with letting Malik snuggle me and sleep on me all night with this Boniva's Creation sticker. And then I noted sleep, and I used the custom With Malik script from Plans. So that was the end of this spread. I hope you guys enjoyed it. In a second, I'm going to show you guys a wiggle and what was left of this kit. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and let me know down below what you thought of this spread, and I shall see you in the next one. Bye!